so happy today. Yeah, okay. What happened? Today's the birthday. Happy birthday. Happy today. First time you're so happy. Actually, punishment was marks are down. Then okay. Homeworks are done all of you? What was the homework? Those who done the homework, please sit down. 400. How many taught as 400? Why? Reason all progress and doubt. All of it. Take out the books. Take out the books. All after this. Why not? So you went to Gujarat?
No, we went to Kashi. I am Marathi. I'm not.
Me, Marathi.
Yes,
You know how to speak in Marathi? Your brother doesn't know. How are you? You're laughing? Nira.
Sir.
This is the least three. Nobody is there at home.
It's bad.
Listen. You are advised. I will tell now this one you are.
But then my class is okay, na? You can check.
I didn't know. Your name is there. Why not done? All questions are out. All the questions are out. Read one question is out. You don't know the extent you have made the. There is a doubt. That means you will not open the word still searching for the exercise. Tell the doubt. The exercise still not by book. Okay, proceed. These 1, 2, 3 are done. Right? And some questions you get doubt, no doubt means you should know. You have the problem in first question. Done where? Huh? Is it? This is math. These are the math now. Given you know, homework is done. Now, one way it was done, that time you understood. We should start it. Technique is different. What technique you studied in Palmer? Show me now what you done in technique Palmer. Alpha plus beta, alpha CC. Common, who did this common? It's only we have what technique is different. Yeah, we should learn from it. Let's try for finding 1 by alpha. How that you study? Say you only one. What is the you're done all the eight question. Each technique, new technique, what new technique you have to learn. Part one is only done. Okay, which you go and do the problem. Show me one question technique you are familiar. These are plain or no? Is it the same or no? So primarily not work, you take only no. Show me when this thing. This is primarily this is primarily no. I'm saying only sum of the zero. Okay. You write this or the minus 5. Why will you that only product resource are you no. 600 volt what is it? Huh? So, can you that is half of the class. Why 60%?
The last question.
What's it? Tuesday over Thursday. Tuesday was 11 to 6.
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes.
So the every time was 11 to 6 now?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem? Time after 6, what do you do? School is on. School is working? Yes, sir. Huh? Guitar classes, swimming classes, all the classes will be there. So now I have no time to study. Okay. Whatever the classes and all the things are there, we don't know, you have to do it. In the board exam, you write, so I went for this class, I went for that class. Mark will be given like that. Yeah. Akshita, stand up. All of you closer. Formula is written now. Let me do that. Akshita. What is the formula for sum of the zeros? Here. I don't need to see any hand. Minus. Sum of the zero is minus 5. Upon product of zeros. Five children. X square. Finally, what? X square. No. What is alpha square plus beta square? How many times? How many times to write? One time. Two times. So you write 2 times minus beta. So you write 2 times again and last. What is alpha square? Alpha square plus beta square.
Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta.
Then why in between you are talking?
That alpha minus beta.
Alpha minus beta.
Alpha minus beta.
So did I ask you anything alpha square? You're sleeping out. Are you okay? So what is alpha minus b? Alpha minus a minus b whole cube.
Minus b cube. Minus b square b minus 3.
Everything is minus. A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B minus 3AB square. Sure. Sure. How many times you have to write? Everyone will do I'll tell. After 2 times, I will ask again. Sure, no?
So now.
Now or whenever I am good, after that, immediately I'll ask. Then it may equal to 20 times.
Yes, sir.
Today. So, you, stand up. What is the alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha plus beta cube. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus.
Into alpha plus beta. What is the alpha plus beta formula?
Alpha plus beta formula.
How do you find out alpha plus beta? From the quadratic polynomial.
Okay, by splitting middle step.
Beta, there is no formula is given. To alpha plus beta, there is no formula is given.
It's a sum of
So what is alpha plus beta?
coefficient of x by coefficient of x.
Coefficient of x.
So
Done. So how many times you have to write? 2 times only. Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Minus is not required.
Yes.
Or alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a.
Yes.
This is all what you do, which formula and all. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. You. Alpha square plus beta square.
Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha.
Alpha square, alpha cube plus beta cube.
Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus.
Very good. Sit down. You. How do you find some of the zeros? This is the thing you studied in manual. This is the thing you studied in manual. When where do you study? Here you studied or manual study? Huh? This formula, where did you study? In manual study or here you study? Here, I will check, open the book and see. Manual, what did you study? You see, manual is confused. Huh? No different anything. Okay, right. Raise something. Check now what is the product of the sorry, sum of the zeros. Read from there. Sum of the zeros. What read and find out. Then where last time where did you write? Where is the number? At moment. Sum of the zero minus b by a no. That is same as minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. That is the thing you have to write over here. Okay, is equal to. That will be nothing new. Product of the zeros, you know what the formula is. Then it's equal to constant term upon coefficient. That is a verification means you have to write that statement. Understood? Sit down. You. Alpha square plus beta square. How many times you have to write? Huh? I will tell 200 times. Don't write it all the time. How many times you want to write and learn? Alpha cube minus beta cube. A cube minus B cube. Alpha cube minus beta cube, no formula is given to you.
So it was given.
Who said that it was given?
Like that. Okay, please.
Let's give it that. Then they go again. I don't know. I have given all to send that. How many times you have to write it? 3 times. Okay, be here. After that, it must be all due. Loudly. A square plus 2a plus b square is what? A plus b all due. That is a plus b all square. How many times you have to write? I can hear very fast. 3 times. After that, you will learn. I'll ask you again. Let's bring on. What is A plus B all due?
Yes.
Starting 3.
Sir. In fact,
3. 3 into 8. 8 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into 8. That's all. Okay.
sir.
So this is wrong. So you have to write down the 10. 10 times. All the evidence you write. Okay, learn. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Allah. A minus B won't be.
A square minus
A square.
Remember, A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into bracket minus A minus B.
What is this? Alpha square plus beta square.
Alpha plus beta whole square plus 2 alpha. Minus
So how many times you have to write? 5. Kritika, all learn now. So how many times you have to write? You have learned. So how many times you have to write? 5. And learn. Okay. Learn.
So you can ask me.
And you decide you learn or not. If it's a learn, means I learn. Not learn, you learn. Okay, sir. Okay. Alpha minus beta what? Hey. Alpha minus beta what?
Alpha square plus AB plus beta square.
That's other formula is given to alpha minus beta whole square.
That's right.
Huh? In terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta.
That's the alpha plus beta.
And alpha. How many times you have read? Who is not missing? Saina. I did not ask. Sandal. Learn. Alpha cube plus beta cube.
Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus
Real now?
yeah, alpha beta.
Sure, ma. Sure. Not sure means decide.
So what was the question?
No questions. That means you have
So sir, repeat the question once again.
alpha cube plus beta cube. What is it? Alpha cube plus beta cube.
Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta.
Alpha cube minus beta cube. You only said no, there is an identity. She only said no, identity is there na.
So
Huh? What is a cube plus b cube?
A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab in bracket into A plus.
No.
Yes.
Okay, sit down. Next class I will know. Vedant, they're online people. Look here, okay, not to back. Okay, learn.
Yes, sir.
Alpha square plus beta square. Who's talking?
Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta.
Alpha cube plus beta cube.
Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta.
Okay, Aditya. Who
Yes,
is the
sir.
topic? What is sum of the zeros?
Sum of the zero minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square.
Product of zeros.
Product constant term upon coefficient of x square.
Okay. Feeling sleepy? No. Okay, tell the doubts. Today. You write 5 times, 2 times, 3 times, I will ask you. Okay. And then write, then it will be easy to learn now. Okay. Yeah. Not now. Huh? Question 1, any problem? 2, any problem? 3, any problem? Put 3. What is it? Read the question here.
Sir, sorry, do the third one. So the question, the answer is that.
Read the question. How do I know?
If alpha and beta are the equals of the quadratic polynomial.
What are
Equals to x square minus find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha.
It's not. Yes or no? Okay. So first is Akshita, you're talking.
Sir, please ask.
She's asking. A, B, C, you got. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. Minus B by A means it will become 1. I'm not written the step. And alpha beta is equal to C by A. Minus 4 upon 1 is minus 4. This much is clear? Okay. Cheshta. Then, if this is like these two, I can take the LCM. Alpha, beta. Then it will be coming about beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. This much is clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, so value of alpha plus beta is all like 1. What is the value of alpha beta? Minus 4. Minus value of alpha beta minus 4 again. Therefore, minus 1 by 4 plus 4. LCM take 4. Minus 1 plus 16. 15 upon 4. Are you followed, Chesta?
Sir, I don't know.
Then worse it out.
Yeah.
Okay, now followed or not? Sure. Sachin, you got. Are you followed?
Sir,
Excuse.
sir, I want second question. The third one.
Read question now.
Find the
I
quadratic.
got 3.75 this.
How did you get 3.75?
Sir, minus 1.4 is minus 0.7.
So 15 by 4 divided by 5.
Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. 1, 1.
Sum is.
Sir, actually, I got the answer.
Are listen now. Sum is 1, product is 1. So 1 by 1.
Yes.
And this also is 1 by 1. So minus B by A. And this is C by A. So what is the value of A? 1.
1.
B minus B is equal to 1. B minus 1. C is also 1. So x square minus x plus 1.
Yes, sir, I got this one.
And then what happens?
Sir, behind it written x square minus 2x plus 1.
No. Okay. Read the question. These are the zeros given. Sum and product is given in the question. Oh. Okay. What happened, Ritika? They all throw out from there. Are you come and sit with them? No? They all fight with you. Who is it? Ashita is fighting with you.
Yeah.
Figure out, you know.
Sir,
Yes.
If you are comfortable, sit over there. Okay. There are places are there. Okay, now any other 4, 3rd, 4,
8 question.
4, 5, 4, 5, 5. Read the question, huh? 7. Oh, Are read na?
If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus a
X square minus 5x.
plus k,
Okay.
such that if alpha minus beta is equal to 1,
Alpha minus beta is equal to what?
find the value of
So you got alpha plus beta. What is the value of A? That's it.
4.
Wait.
1,
Sorry.
1.
Which question he is reading?
Yes, 7
B,
minus 5
C.
k 7.
Okay. Alpha plus beta. Minus B by A means 5 by. Okay. Alpha beta is K by 1K. Understood? I did not write the step. You are given that value of alpha minus beta is equal to how much? 1 now. We have the identity. Alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to alpha. Anuj,
Yes, sir.
this is the formula.
Yes, sir.
So here it is using now 1 square is equal to 5 square minus 4 times k. Are you followed, Darshan? Oh, Darshan Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this mark k. Mark k. 25 minus 1, 24. K is equal to 6. Have you followed now?
Sir, I can.
Which way you did?
Sir, as alpha minus beta is 1 and alpha plus beta is
You
5.
solved and found the value of alpha and beta.
No,
isn't
sir,
it?
alpha is 3 and
You solved and find out.
yeah, yes.
No problem. You got k is equal to 6.
And 3 6.
Array looking at these two equations solved simultaneously. Then you will get the value of alpha and beta. Add both of them to alpha is equal to 6. And then substitute over here also, then also you get. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Given in the, did you read? Waiting in chat. Given in the question or not? Given or not? Where? Do you know which question we are done? Okay. Okay, 6 one. Any problem?
Yes, sir.
7th one, any problem?
Sir, I have doubt in next round.
Ah, everything here. Those who are the 6th one, raise the hand. You are the only one. Means 6th one. Read the question. Let me hear.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
When alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x, 2x squared.
2x square. Then read. China.
X plus x satisfies the equation
That is
All of you be quiet. Let Harshita read the question. Question number 6. All of you be quiet now. China.
alpha, beta, the zeros of the polynomial x plus k satisfying the equation a square plus alpha
He doesn't know how to read. Plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. Now, what is the problem to do this one? What is the problem?
Sir, I got it 25 upon 4 minus k plus k upon 2.
So you don't know addition, subtraction. That's the problem. No. Array alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta is same as alpha plus beta whole square.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. Are you followed, Harshita, what I wrote? Yes or no? That is, this is equal to, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. This also followed Darshan Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then find out what is alpha plus beta. How much?
Alpha plus beta 5 upon
Wrong. Minus 5 upon 2.
minus 5
Whole square. There is nothing whole. Minus. What is alpha beta?
k upon
K upon is equal to 21 by 4. Do you know Darshan, what is minus 5 by 2 whole square?
25.
So what is the problem here? Bring this 20, this one minus 21 by 4 is equal to k by. I shifted 25 minus 21. Don't know how to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. 4 by 4.
1 equals
4 by 4 is equal to k by 2. 4 by 4 is 1 is equal to k by 2. K is equal to 2. Followed Arshita. Aaj zyada bari hai followed.
Yes.
Copying.
Yes. So she has a doubt in
She doesn't have doubt.
fifth one.
Are just now only fifth one I did not.
After we get 40 is equal to 24.
Oh, addition subtraction do you know? What is how much is this one? 1 square is how much? 1. 5 square is how much?
25.
Shift interchange the 4k bring out here 25 minus 1. What I see?
Nothing.
See you have my CC. Ray 1 square is 1. 5 square is so 5 square is 25. 4k. So I wrote 4k here, 1 to that side.
So then how did you get 5? K equals to
You are in extra only now? You are in extra only now? Check your date of birth. Okay now?
Wait first.
sir.
No. Okay.
Sorry.
Next class onward, no homework to leave you, no? Next. 7th question is this.
If sum of the square of c equals of quadratic sum of the square of the equals of the quadratic polynomial f(x) equals to x square minus 8x plus a is what is find the value of c.
Look here. 8x plus k. Are you followed? This is the condition. Sum of the square means this value is given. and this polynomial. From here we can find out what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Aryan, you are not responding anything. What is the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta? What is the value of ABC? Tell us. B is 8 or minus 8? C is. So what is alpha plus beta? Fast. Minus B upon A. How much? Minus is 8 upon 1 equal to 8. Alpha beta. Others are telling, arey tell fast now. C by A is K by 1, which is equal to K. So alpha square plus beta square, do you have formula? What is the formula? Alpha plus beta is equal to 40. You have the value of alpha plus beta, how much? 8 square minus 2 into alpha beta K is equal to 40. Remaining, can you do it? 64 and cross multiply. Okay, Neera. Oh, Neera. Can you do the remaining part? Okay. Next, 8th question. Neera, so you all questions are popping up. Arey, read the questions. It's आपला
If alpha and beta is quadratic polynomial, f of x equals to 2x square minus 5x plus 7. Find the polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus 2 beta.
2 alpha plus 3 beta. So first is ABC you got now?
Yes, sir.
2 So what is the value of alpha plus beta?
Minus 5 by 2.
Not minus 5 by 2.
Yes.
Minus. Alpha beta 3 by 8.
7.
Then you know everything now.
So no, I have talked in the last step.
So this much all of you follow.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what you need to do? Sum.
So
Equated.
I mean,
Sum of new zeros
sorry.
is equal to 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 2 beta plus 3 alpha. Is it or not? Add 5 times alpha plus beta. Those who are not followed and write 5 alpha plus 5 beta. The value of alpha plus beta is how much? 5 by 2. 5 into 5 by 2, which is equal to how much? 25 upon 2. This much is clear, Saina? L1.
Yes, sir. It's that and that.
Okay, then product. Then what you not done?
The last step I have done.
So then tell what is the last step? 2 alpha.
Sir, I
plus-
got the product outside 41.
So product is equal to 41 means 81 by 2.
What would go after that?
41 is 81 by 2 now.
Yes, sir. That's what I wanted.
Wrong. 41 is 2
Oh,
by
82
2.
upon 2. 82 upon 2 is
So
41.
minus B upon A. C upon A. Those who are not got this till here, tell me. Should I do this step?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Darshan ready to copy. Look, this open the bracket. 2 alpha into 2 beta is 4 alpha beta plus 6 alpha square plus 6 beta square plus 9 alpha beta. Have you followed out these opens? Yes. In the between, Saina, you are talking.
Here, sir.
She asked, what is the doubt? Let her
Sir,
tell.
sir, this is 7th one.
Whatever the sum, you look at the question and find out. Yes, it's a 7th one. Okay. This is 7th one completely. I did not do. No. You did not doubt in 7th one, no? Then why you are asking? Actually, copying the things. So this is coming as 6 times alpha square plus beta square. 9 plus 4 is 13 alpha beta. There is 6 into this can be written the identity alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta. That is open the bracket 6 into alpha plus beta the whole square minus 12 alpha beta. Still talking? Ishta. Ashita only. Put the values 6 into how much? What was the value? 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2. And plus alpha beta is equal to how much? What is that?
This square.
Simplify. And it will come after simplifying, it will reach to this one, 81 by 2. That you simplify at least 5 square is 25 by 4. After that, you got now minus B by A, C by A. Therefore, what is the value of A? 2. B minus B is equal to 25 now. A is equal to 2 minus B is equal to 25. Therefore, B is equal to whose combined? And C is equal to how much? 80. Therefore, the polynomial is 2x squared minus 25x plus 82. That is a P of x can be written as K times 2x squared minus 25x plus 82. 1 second. Over.
No, I mean,
Check the steps.
so can you explain that properties of alpha and beta, square and cube?
Just I will explain. Now I have to do extra again once again. Done. And then when you come, you see the notes and all. See now what is not done. Okay, check with others. What? How many days you have?
2. But I only missed one class. Oh, max that was very cool.
Hey, Saina. This girl is talking too much. I thought she's quite here. Relax, okay. Don't try to start crying.
No.
Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yadav, what happened?
Yes, sir, I was supposed to say it.
She knows everything.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, excuse me.
Sir, what did you do after the 6a plus b whole square minus 12, alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta?
This is followed.
No, sir, that is not followed.
This is followed.
Yes, sir.
This is followed.
Yes, sir.
Open the bracket. 6. 6 to the 12. Plus
Yes, sir.
13.
After that, sir.
Minus 12 plus 13 is plus 1. This is clear now?
Yeah, okay, yes,
Minus
sir.
12 plus. Okay now? Then,
Yes, sir.
after that, value of alpha plus beta is 5 by 2. 6 into 3 something.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So then 6 into 25 by 4 and plus 7 by 2. Okay, simplifying you will get the answer. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Done. That will let it come for this. 4 marks. Completed all of you? Huh? Done now?
Yes, sir.
Look here, you people have to do the homework at home and come. Not that every question come and copy down, it will not work. Because if you see the classwork, it says same questions are there or what? Everything similar ones are there, no? 5K was there, no? Not there, I'll show. Show him.
So was there some eventually?
Then what? Here 2 questions were there. What else you want to do? K, that too application of formula only, no? Okay. That this K is something different. What happened? That's product of the zeros is C by A, no? And so C by A. And the sum of the zeros is minus B by A, no? So equated. Already ABC used now already. Okay, denominators are equal, mate. So 2 is equal to A. Minus B is equal to 25. B is equal to minus 25. C. Any others having doubt? Arya Jadhav got doubt? Over. Hey, follow. Following. Sure. Samar. No problem. Anand.
Yes, sir.
Neera. Apsita. Practice is required at home. Without practicing coming, it will not work. Chaplain. Mariam, how much time needed? I will write, then 10 minutes wait for you people to write. Over. So first exercise part it is done. Next exercise, I just only wanted to just explain the division of polynomials. Beyond that, I don't need to explain. Do you know how to divide the polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's not there.
Everyone says that is
Yes,
not
sir.
there.
Not there.
Until this question is taught, you know, how to divide. What are they not given? Let me see how. Like divide x cubed plus x square minus 2x plus 1.
Yes.
This is over now, written. Not. F of x is equal to x cubed minus x square plus 2 by g of x is equal to, let's say, as x square minus 4.
Yeah, plus 5.
Yes, divide.
X by g of x.
Yes. All of you divide. Simple one I got. Then see people said it's not there. Have you studied division of polynomial in any class?
Yes, sir.
Not studied.
That's
So question based on division of polynomials comes, don't tell it is not there. It is there. Because it is the previous years it is done, okay? Hello, division is done.
yes.
Who has done the division? That means those who are changing the question means you don't know how to divide. Answer. What's the answer? It's not incorrect, it is not useful. What is the question being asked?
Divide.
Divide. So you have to divide. So you said it is not useful. Divide means that find out the quotient and remainder. Then what dividing is what you get? What is the meaning of divide? Divide. Listen, majority are not able to divide. Why I have done this division means, you know, whenever the division type of questions comes, you have to do it. You cannot write it is not in the syllabus. Why? Because it is done in the previous class. Okay. So over here, when you divide means x cube minus x square. There is no extra means you can write 0x plus 2. So in the divide here, you don't need to write x square minus 1. Then what should be multiplied? Stop. Now you will start, all of you start. Then what should be multiplied? Darshan, stop now. Now he started only now. So put the pen down. All of you put your pen down and close the book. Close, all of you close the book. Close the book. And listen now. Now here, what should be multiplied with x to get x square to get?
X.
So then what do you do? X
No.
into x square.
X
X cube. X into minus 1. Minus x. Should be right over here. Minus x. Change the sign. Plus changes. Then add. Then minus x square. 0 plus x.
Plus 2.
Are you followed this much, sir?
Yes, sir.
Everyone followed?
Yes.
Okay. Then next is what should be multiplied x square to get minus 1? Minus 1. Minus 1 into x square. Minus x square. Minus 1 into plus 1. Sorry, -1 into -1 +1. Change the sign. Change the sign. Add x 2 minus 1. That is equal to how much? +1.
Yes.
Okay. Here, who is this girl? Just relax now. You said division is not possible.
No, I told.
Yeah, let's wait. So, is the division stopped? China, is the division stopped?
No.
China, is the division stopped?
Yes.
How do you know the division stopped? Because I stopped this. Is the division stopped? China, answer yes or no? I don't know. Ritika, division stopped. Who knows whether division stopped or not? Listen. Yes.
Then this is fine.
If you don't want remainder,
Then
this
you
will
put it completely.
completely can you divide and show?
I don't know.
Look here. The division stops 2 times. If the remainder comes 0, division stops. Is the remainder become 0?
No, sir.
Second, if the degree, you know what is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder? If the degree of the remainder is less than the divisor, division stops. You can tell. No. Okay, so when does the division stop?
So
Because this is the problem. Very bad. Very. Yeah. Now what? None. Now if you don't know, don't press anywhere. I also know how to press. If you knew, don't know means what is why you are pressing it all?
should I try
Darshan knows everything, but he will come after it.
back? Which one is it?
If you don't
No,
know,
sir, I came here. Any desk, which one?
I don't know. Just leave it now. Darshan,
This one be the other one.
Vedant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You people, those who don't know, please don't do anything. You people come and press, another one press, everyone next press. So when the division stopped over here, either remainder is equal to 0 or the degree of the remainder is less than. What is the degree of the dividend? 2. This is 2, degree of the dividend is 2.
3.
Which is dividend? What is dividend? That. Read what is the dividend? X cube minus x square plus 2 is the dividend. What is the divisor? X square minus what? What is the quotient? X minus what? What is the remainder? You know what is the relation between all the 4? You done. What is it? Dividend is equal to divisor quotient plus remainder. Have you followed this much? Okay. So you will be having this much properties are there. So division, all of you followed when the division stops?
Yes.
Okay, so here the division stop. Even as he said, you go 1 by x, it will not stop. Remainder may not come 0. Okay, till where we cannot, it's not possible to find out. So that is the case. Right. Okay now.
So the degree is less than.
Degree of the remainder. The normal division, you know what is, when does the division stop? When does the division stop in number division?
Smaller than the.
Same thing only, instead of smaller, degree should be smaller. Either remainder becomes 0 or degree. So degree is how much? 1. Here degree is how much? 2. So it's smaller, not equal also. You have to do one more cases. Okay, understood. Now, in the exercise, this is the, I'm not talking about the division algorithm at all. In the exercise, there are questions are there with the help of division doing. I'm not doing that also, but there are questions which can come in the exams. This will get back to the after the your school if it is completed and all. Some of the schools are it is completely deleted. It's not like that one. You know, this is not division is studied means division based questions can come. Division algorithm is not there. That is the thing I am telling you. That this teacher, According to Saina, I am stopping here this chapter over here. I'm telling you people, because look there are some questions. Because there are some questions are there. If it is coming in the exam, look here. All of you take the. Okay. Okay, na? She has always doubts. All of you take the page number. Page number 25. 25 taken. Okay. 25 is taken, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Anu, read the question number 18.
Find all the zeros of the polynomial x raised to 4 plus x minus you already told.
Yeah.
Find all the zeros of the polynomial x raised to 4 plus x cubed minus 14x squared minus 2x plus 24. If two of its zeros are 2 and minus 2.
Have you heard this question?
No. Yes.
No, read from there now. So this is from these all types of questions are there in the second exercise. Now, do you tell it is there or not? Now, x is equal to tell you one of the zero is what are the root zeros are given? Root 2 and minus root 2. X is equal to root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2 are two zeros. Therefore, x minus root 2 is and x plus root 2 are factors. Therefore, their product is a factor. Are you following or not? With two zeros, means how did you get the zeros?
Yes,
When you opposite zeros. Okay, so we took x equal to first zero is x equal to root 2. Second zero is what? X is equal to minus root 2. Okay, then after that, therefore shifted, therefore they are the factors. That means if this is a factor, means there's a product is a factor, that is x square minus 2. How did you get followed? How did you get x square minus 2? A plus b to a minus b. So this is a factor. Now, what is the polynomial was given?
X raised to 4
X raised to 4
plus x cubed minus 14x square minus 2x plus 20.
minus 2x plus 24. So if x square minus 2 is a factor, means you have to divide and remove. This is a factor of this polynomial now. Yes or no? So if then you have to divide. So when you divide, how you know how to divide? X raised to 4 plus x cubed minus 14x square minus 2x plus 24. Then x square minus 2. You know how to divide? X square. How much you will get?
X to power 4.
Then minus. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cancel. What will be like again? X cubed minus 12x square minus 2x plus 24. Then what will you get? Plus x. X into x square is x cubed. How much? Minus 2x. Change the sign. This will be cancelled. Minus 12x square. This also is cancelled. Plus 24. Then what will be left out? Minus 12. So what will you get? Change the sign. 0. Understood all of you? So we did the division. So why did we do the division means? Why did we do the division means to get the next factor? Therefore, Darshan only do all these steps. Something he did, that is why it is. Therefore, this f of x can be written as x square minus 2 into what is the next factor? X square plus x minus 2. Are you following this method? Okay.
Sir, 12.
Sorry. Now, to get this already it was factors. Now you can factorize this x square plus x minus 2. X square plus x minus 2. Do you know how to factorize? It is equal to Fact, split the middle term now. Therefore, what will you get here? X square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Then, what will you get over here? What is left out? X into, what will you get here? X into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. That is equal to x plus 4 times x
X
minus
plus 4 and x minus 3.
Therefore, how will you get the zeros over here? What are zeros? Minus 4 and 3. So therefore, all the zeros means already one zero was root 2, second zero was minus root 2, and the third zero is minus 4, and the fourth zero is 3. Therefore, 4 zeros equal. Are you followed? This I know this part is there in your syllabus. Are you look here now? So that is why this exercise I am not doing further for the time being. Later we will do this type of question. Whether it is in the syllabus, not in the syllabus, I know. Because it is not clearly mentioned over there. Okay, so if it is coming in now, if they are one is telling us this is division of one number you have done previous year, it cannot be not done.
The third exercise, you only did these questions.
She said some other language. So we said this. Now what will I do?
Next chapter.
Now, so this chapter division and all, there are certain questions can come. In the the exams, it is not that what is given as it is in the textbook, they will lift and give. Based on that one and previous knowledge type questions you get it. Previous knowledge means previously which you have done. So here, this was basically it is all certain zeros come and after that. Okay, so anyway, we are not doing this part now. Exercise 2.3, if later if there is a clarity from different schools comes, and after that I will explain. For the time being, it is not there. Okay now? Now, from the previous board questions, following questions, you have to do it. Mark the previous board questions. Previous board questions mark. I am telling you, mark the following questions which is telling already. Mark, China followed. Mark the following. These two people. Okay. Chalo. There are 3 people. I not. I also not. Question number 6. You can do it. Okay. 7. Mark. 8. 9. 10. 11. I degree that is division I am not doing. Okay. Next is polynomial this degree should be subtracted from the exact. By the way, when does it is exactly divisible? When it is when the remainder 0, it is exactly divisible. Okay. Is it exactly divisible means the remainder becomes 0. Okay. So if it was when does it become, suppose if the remainder was 1, how will you make it divisible? Subtract 1. Are we followed or not? Not done. From f of x. The remainder has to be subtracted from the dividend now. Are we followed? What should be question number 12? One of you, Harshita. Harshita is looking here and there. She first time is seeing his room. Okay, China, read the question number 12.
Find the polynomial of C, which should be subtracted from the polynomial x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 4x raised to 2 plus 6x minus 3. That it is exactly divisible by x square minus x plus 1.
Are we followed? What is the meaning of the question? What should be subtracted from the first polynomial so that it is exactly divisible? So that it is exactly divisible by the second polynomial. You are not listening in the class. That is the problem. Understood? So how it is to be done? We have to divide and whatever remainder comes, subtract from the first polynomial. Are we followed, Krisha? Not followed. Followed. All of you followed. Okay, exactly divisible means what? Divide and what remainder comes? Subtract from the dividend. Question, you said question now. Question called dividend. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay, understood all of you? Salute. Now since it is division means I don't know, so that's so for the timing and not it. Okay, so 12th one read question 13 mark. Yeah. Question 13 mark you have to do it. Huh? Are my dear, please mark no sheet. You mark the question now. Question 14. Question number 15. Okay, 17. And question number 19. 7, what happens? 11
So do we have to mark
find
the
the value
14th
of
one?
A. Oh. Yes, 11 you have to do. 11 you mark no? Okay. Question number 20. Okay. 21. Okay, then how many? Huh? How many questions you have marked?
It's a 40.
Okay. All of you do the question number right now. All of you do the question number 7. Yes, 7. This girl, Arya, read the question.
Yes.
Make that question complete minus alpha and minus beta. Printing which is not printed. Akshita, did you see the question sheet searching somewhere? Question number. Because you understand my language, English language. Huh? Do you know what question read? Question 7. You Marathi can understand. I have class somebody speaking Marathi. Question number 7. Tell her Marathi. Oh, Krishan, tell which question you did.
Question number 7.
Marathi. And there is a correction, there is a minus only, minus alpha. All of you do it. You read, Akshita, read the question loudly.
From the polynomial x square plus 6x plus 7.
Are you read now? Then?
Polynomial would be minus and
After not minus and minus alpha and right minus alpha. Will you mark alpha? Now you follow.
Yes.
So do it all of you. Darshan completed the work. Then why are you looking at me? 1 minute only I'll give. So, then 1 day I'll give. I will solve everything and I'll show them. How many of you doesn't know how to solve? No answer is. You are there absent for how many days? You. Are Darshan, come on, come. I will sit over there. Come in. Stand over here and see what is happening around. Whenever I ask, he will look. Whenever any girl speaks, he will look. Whenever any boy, are you doing the question?
Sir, I had this question.
You had the same question now.
No, sir, same like that.
Who has done? My friend, please fast, time is over. How many of you doesn't know how to do? There are two people said they don't know. That's it again. And I am not saying you. Time 30 seconds more. You, this girl now. Where do you stay, this girl, Saina? Huh? Where? Where is Saina staying? Where? Kargaroli? Sector? Nearby. Sector is other side. This side. I'll call mummy.
No.
I'll tell mummy that one day she let her come and sit down. Yeah, it's time over. Hello, Arya.
Sorry.
Arya, eating out. Okay, all of you put your pen down. All of you put the pen down. Yes, okay. Everyone, read the question. Saina, read the question.
Yes, sir. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 6x plus 7, then form a polynomial whose zeros are minus alpha and minus beta.
Okay, now you look at the watch and see how much time we needed. Okay, look at. So here the value of A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to how much? 6. C is equal to
7.
alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon, who is talking there? Minus 6 upon 1, which is equal to minus 6. Alpha beta is equal to C upon A.
7.
That is equal to 7 upon 1, which is equal to 7. Sum of new zeros, today also we did, is equal to minus alpha plus minus beta. You take minus as common, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6, which is equal to 6. Product of new, still people are talking, is equal to minus alpha times, Darshan will start copying, minus beta. I did not ask, I will cross everything. That is equal to alpha beta, which is equal to 7. Now, did you get the answers now? This is, we have done or not?
Yes, sir.
Just done, or just done only. Yeah, then you have 1 minute, more than 1 minute done. Question. And why didn't you do? You are seeing what is others are doing. That is why you have come over here, no? That there are a lot of people are there to see others are done. And you people are coming on here, sit and study and see what is happening, what is it. Try to get the answer now. I don't know. I called 3 times, they also not bothered. They don't want to do anything for it. Is equal to now by 1 minus B by A. Saina, you asked now why capital B and capital A. Remembering or not?
Yes, sir.
That all I remember. Yes. A is equal to 1 minus B. Who is that sir called? Krisha, what are?
I didn't understand that. Some of you zeros.
They look.
You wrote the first step, and then in the second step, and then after that it is minus 6.
Value of alpha B, this is what? What is the value of alpha plus beta? Understood or not?
Yes.
Therefore, the polynomial is what? X square minus 6x plus 7. Is it so complicated to do? I said 1 minute means, why I said 1 minute means at least you should recall. And why this one it was done today also the same thing. Questions in the exam will not come as it is what we have done. Similar type of questions will come. Remember. All of you completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number All of you run.
Yes, sir.
Krishna completed. Arvind, following. Aryan, are you followed? Sure. This was done in Parvel, no? Some things are not done. Question number of which I changed something. Question number 10. 10 to. Okay. I will read the question loudly.
If 1, 0 of the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to 4x square minus 8kx plus 8x minus 9 is negative of the other, then find zeros of ax square plus 3kx plus 2.
All of you try to do it. What are you searching from there? Nothing to search. You will not find similar questions. Read question once, twice, if not followed. All of you read the question? Followed the meaning of the question? Able to do the question? Anyone able to do the question? No. Anyone able to do the question? Are you know any step to do? The try means if not followed, then there is no point. Ritika able to do anything? No. Who? Who is good? No, you too. Question is fine. I think question you are able to do, nothing you are doing. You are not able to write. No. Right now, whether he is looking at me again. If you are doing, do it and should fast. Yeah. Anyone? Krishna. Kristen, sorry, Krishna. Able to do? No. Anuj able to do? So.
Could be write it as 4x square minus 8x 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1 and 10.
How? Read the first question, first statement. 1, 0 of the, all of you stop writing now. One step writing, please don't copy as it is. Try to understand. 1, 0 of the quadratic polynomial.
F of x is equal to 4x square minus 8ax plus 8x minus 1
Plus 8x
minus 9 is
8x minus 9. Isn't it?
yes.
Is the negative of the other. First and foremost thing, you must have noticed something. This is not in the standard form. Standard form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. So you have to join both of them. Therefore, what we get 4x square. I can take it as, if you want to take plus I can take or minus x I can take, means what we get 8k minus 8 times x minus 9. Even 8 also I can take outside. Are you followed? Are you followed or not? This much is okay. Now it is in the standard form. Are you followed? Minus if it is removed. 8x also, I said no, this can be taken as different ways. If you want to write plus 8x into, then what will we get? Minus k plus 1. Okay, minus 1. That also you can take. Why I took that, there is a reason. Anyway, chalo, this is followed now. Or if you want to write this one is f of x 4x square plus minus k plus 1 times or 8 times for x minus 9. Now what is the value of a? A is what? 4. B 8 into minus k plus 1. C minus 9. Are you followed now? A, B, C. Array, this one. What are you writing? Are you following what we are doing? Then why whatever is written copying now? Listen first. Now the next thing is gives what 1 0 is 1 0 is negative of the other. Now 1 0 is negative of the other means if 1 0 is 5, what will be the next 0? Minus. If 1 0 is minus 7, what will be the other 0? 7. Opposite. That means if alpha and beta are the zeros, means the zeros of beta should be equal to minus alpha. If one is negative means if one is alpha, what will be the other one? Minus alpha. So beta will be equal to minus alpha. Alpha will be equal to alpha and beta is equal to minus alpha. This much is clear. Because one is the negative. So if one is 5 means other will be minus 5. If one is alpha, other will be minus alpha. So alpha is alpha, beta is equal to minus alpha. This much is clear. Now, what is alpha plus beta? What is the formula? Minus b by a. Instead of beta, what you can write? Minus alpha is equal to minus b by a means minus a times minus k plus 1 upon 4. Are you followed or not? Minus b upon a. Alpha and minus alpha is cancelled. 0 is equal to minus of. Are you followed this one? What happened? If you are not followed, tell her. What you are not followed? That is whatever whenever required to speak, you have to speak. All other times will be big. What you are not followed? And this one you are not followed or this is not followed? This is not followed. 1 0 is the negative. Did you read the question? Yes or no? Yes. Not read. 1 0 is the negative of the other means if one is 10 means other will be what? Minus 10. If one is alpha, other will be what? Minus alpha. So beta will be equal to minus alpha. What are alpha and beta? Zeros of the polynomial. If one is alpha means other will be minus alpha. Understood now? This is the formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Clear now? Okay, I substituted and alpha and then if you want cross multiply 0 is equal to minus of minus k plus 1. Open the bracket or I can therefore minus k plus 1 is equal to 0 upon minus 8 that also gone. Minus k plus 1 is equal to 0, k is equal to 1. Value of k is equal to 1 you got. Are you followed all of you already get the value of k? Now, after getting the value of k, it is not over. What you get to the question was asked, find the zeros of kx square plus 3x plus 2. So kx square plus 3x with 3kx, no? 3kx or what? So replace k is equal to 1. Therefore, x square plus 3x plus 2. This can be factorized.
Yes, sir.
That is x square plus then come up. Forgot that also. The product is 2 now.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 1. So what are the zeros you will get? X is equal to minus 2 1. Are you followed? Check the steps. Darshan followed? Still problem? Krishna? Followed? If you want, if you are taken minus, okay, now you. Steps 10. Ritika followed? Yes. Who's talking? What happened? Tell na.
The value of
Cross multiply now, where it will go? When you cross multiply, where it is go? Tell na.
4 into 0.
You have to reply. Okay. Any other? Are you sure from followed or not? Then speak loudly now. You scared of these people? You're giving a lot of answers. Darshan might tell me stories. Ashita, seriously listen and do the work. Kaira, sorry, Kaira. Krishna, how are you? You went to Nashik, no? Where did you go? Nashik. What did you bring from Nashik? Nothing. Huh? Completed.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Right? One should there will last always one. You should tell the doubt, I will explain now. Follow.
Yes, sir.
How's your brother, Mr. Rohan Sadhugate? Sorry, Sadhugate is from now. He's sleeping at home. So next time the textbook you tell him to be. All of it done? Some of them. Completed all of you?
Yes.
Aryan Jadhav completed?
Yes.
Very good. This all, imagine this question was not done. Imagine this question directly comes into the board exam. This question has come into which year? Number. 2015. Directly questions are imagine then how difficult. That is why we have to practice a lot. Remember, okay. Even the question which you have done in the class, even you are struggling. Similar ones. Little twists is there with common. Okay, nobody could find out. When practice. Huh?
I said.
What did you get there? Till where you go? Till where the only K?
I had done experience.
ABC you did.
Yes, sir.
Okay, or nobody else will do now. You are the only one time when I had to wait for you how long? Yeah. 5 minutes. Follow now. Now look here. This chapter, the remaining, so out of 30 questions or something were there, we did 2 questions. Now, no. Okay. Now 11 questions are left over. When you can complete these 11 questions?
Monday. Yes, sir. Monday. Sir, Friday. Sir, we have class. Sunday.
No problem. All exams started. Russian you triple say means you have throughout the life will be this. Huh? So then why you are worried? If the chapter is not done, there won't be the test. Now, Monday will do means you know today in the second lecture you will get more homeworks than what you do. And Friday we will get another set of homework what you do. No, I have no problem. You're following. I have no issues. Okay. Now, if you the 5 questions in a day doing is not major issue. Okay, keep in mind at least 5 questions to do. Oh, 5. Okay, 10 questions. According to 10 questions you can do now. Okay, leave 1 question and remaining 10 do it. Okay, that's it. Be happy. All right, 10 questions. But I'm telling you now again the next chapter is coming. Over there again the what will come now? Huh? You know that? Graph is not really free stuff. Everything is graph only. Now listen all of you. Your how many of your school has done all of you close the textbook. How many of you done the school has done linear equation in 2 variables? There are only 2. Whatever done started or doing. Huh? Completed. Okay. Started. Those are done linear equation, okay, put the hand down. Those who are doing quadratic equation, please raise the hands.
Yeah.
Those who have started with triangles, raise the hand. Okay. I think you heard about this chapter, you don't need to check now. He doesn't, you go to school now. Okay, if you also started with the quadrant geometry started. Quadrant geometry started.
That will not even finish one chapter.
So not even one.
Then why is nothing? So relax now. People now. Next is what those who have done with the trigonometry started on doing
Almost something.
almost all. Okay, so there are 3-4 chapters we have to do in this vacations. Okay, we have to do first. I have to do some difficult chapters also. Difficult chapters means not that it's very simple ones also. These are not very difficult ones. Next chapter we are going to do is called pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, chapter 3. Pair of linear equations in two variables. All of you open the book and write the chapter name. Pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. This chapter is done in the school. This chapter is done. Polynomials. Pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Written. Okay. Now listen carefully. Two variables. Okay. Close the volume model and listen now. The first thing is, listen, why I am closing the volume is these all things will be there. You will read from there, it will not help you. That's right. Okay. Here are done.
Sorry.
Painting is going on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Krisha, listen. Chester, what is the linear equation? Do you know? If you know, huh? Algebraic expression. So, you remember what the linear equation means? It is an equation of degree 1. What is the linear equation? It is an equation of degree 1. Don't tell algebraic expressions are no, that will over the polynomial. Equation, do you know how to identify whether it's an equation or a polynomial? There is an equal to sign is there on both the sides. Here also I wrote f of x is equal to. Is it an algebraic? Is it an equation? No. It is the name of the polynomial is f of x. There you will see is equal to 0 or is equal to some numbers, not f of x here. Okay. So linear equation means an equation in one variable. Sorry, equation of degree 1. What is the meaning of linear equation in one variable means? Equation of degree 1 and having only one variable. Do you know what is the general form of a linear equation in one variable?
X plus b.
Ax plus b is equal to 0. Polynomial means Ax plus b. Okay. Linear equation one variable is Ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Do you know what is the meaning of solution of an equation?
Which makes that
Solution of that equation. It is the value of the variable which satisfies that equation. If x plus 3 is equal to 0 is an equation. If you replace x equal to minus 3, LHS and RHS will become equal. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 is a solution. Again, if x plus 3 equal to 0, if you put x equal to 1, what will you get? 1 plus 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a solution. Are we followed? Any case, wherever it is solution means value of variable or variables which satisfy that equation. Satisfy means LHS is equal. This much is clear? Now tell me finally, what is the solution of Ax plus b equals 0? What is the solution of Ax plus b? X is equal to minus b upon it. Solution of the equation is same as last chapter we studied is same as the 0 of the polynomial. No, there is study 0 now. Solution of the equation and 0 of the polynomial are same. Over there also studied now for linear polynomial Ax plus b is 0 x is equal to minus b. What about this one? Okay, break time is there now. So you can break, refresh yourself. Those who feel sleep, shake yourself. That's 10, all because of you only.
That they will be 90.
They will be tiny. I will ask. See, we will put it for life.
Spend time. Yeah.
Everybody want to play your best yourself. Take your steps. Attendance I was here. Yeah. Attendance. Yeah. So class.